The lowest sodium soy sauce that I can find at my grocery store has 575 milligrams of sodium for every tablespoon. That's the one that's marked lower sodium. There are a lot of things that we like to eat that we no longer could have because of that sodium. And I got an email from Healthy Heart Market that says Chinatown soy sauce. So I clicked on it, and here it is, Chinatown soy sauce. Ordered from Healthy Heart Market. It has 145 milligrams of sodium per tablespoon. 1 tablespoon actually flavors a lot of food. It doesn't take much to flavor a pan of fried rice. Other things, it opens up a whole new world for us. Use it on anything that you use soy sauce with. My son-in-law likes just plain white rice with a little of this on it. Healthy Heart Market. Order it today, and you'll have it in about a week and a half. It's the only place I found to get this.